My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that comes from the site Cleantoclean.xyz. Cleantoclean.xyz is the website that attacks many Windows computers right now. The website Cleantoclean.xyz tries to deceive people and to trick them into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. The pop-up Cleantoclean.xyz claims to be related to some well-known security program. But in reality, this pop-up is not related to that program. It is totally fake, and the messages that it displays are also fake. These pop-ups, as I said, have in mind to force you into downloading some potentially unwanted software. You shouldn't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups, and you should not download anything that they suggest. Such pop-ups may be the trace of certain adware to be currently enabled in your computer. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel and uninstall any items which are suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. I also recommend that you additionally research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.